So the idea of today's video is to give you an introduction to the different types of portfolios that Right Research offers and which one might be suitable for you. You might have landed on our small case page, and here you would have seen a number of different portfolios, and you might have been confused by what exactly do these portfolios do, which one might be suitable for me. So the idea of this video is to educate you on the different type of portfolios that we offer and to help you understand which one might be suitable for you. So before I get into what the different type of products that we offer are, what I would like to do is to very briefly explain what our investing philosophy is. So at Right Research, we trust algorithms and data to take our investment decisions, right? And so everything is done in a data-driven fashion, and everything is done using computer algorithms. And what are the parts of this process, right? So the first and the most important part of the process is understanding the market, right? Understanding what are the important factors that affect the market. Understanding what are the different themes or reasons or factors, that can help you perform well into the market, right? What is that edge that a company has that makes it do well? So the first and the foremost thing is that we do is we study using data various factors that are there in the market. These factors could be anything like momentum, value, growth, quality, etc. So the first thing that Right Research does is focus a lot on these building blocks or factors that define the market. The second thing that we do is that we study the interaction between these factors, right? So obviously markets are huge and noisy and nothing moves in a straight line. There is very complex interactions in the market, and what we do is we try to understand what is the relationship between these factors, how they affect the risk and return of the portfolio, and how you can create a portfolio that gets the best out of these factors. How can you create a portfolio that gets the best out of the factor is, you have to understand the risk that you're going to take, and you have to build a portfolio that can give the best returns for that amount of risk. So we use a lot of algorithmic techniques, machine learning in this step of the process that helps us choose the best stocks to invest into the next period. And the third piece of the puzzle is that we want to create stable portfolios, low risk portfolios. You don't want to take risk when you don't need to. And the idea is that we want to create stable portfolios that do well at low level of risk. Now, again, I would like to give you a little bit of a more introduction into what Right Research is. So I started Right Research around 2 years back, and I used to work in these big banks and large institutions, working in the algo trading and controls, and I thought there was a huge opportunity of doing this well in India, and there is a lot of demand among the retail audiences, among the new age audiences who is digitally aware and wants to see quant products do well in India. So I started Right Research to offer these products to everyone. And I'm very happy to say that because we have done really well, and because we have tried to educate everybody about our philosophy that we really believe in, we have built a very good audience for our products, and our subscribers are growing very organically through word of mouth, and we are among the top 3 most subscribed small cases on the small case platform. So that was a quick introduction to about us, and now let's talk about our products. We offer our portfolios in 2 different types of products, right? So the first product that we actually started with are our core products, right? These are portfolios that can become the core part of your portfolio. They can become 25 to 50% of your portfolio, and you can buy these products and forget them. The idea here is that we will manage the risk and reward. We will give you exposure to the best performing opportunities in the market, and you don't need to worry about what's going around the market. You can trust the portfolio to give you the best allocation. We offer these core portfolios in 3 different themes. One is your balanced portfolio, one is your growth portfolio. This is for the slightly high risk investor, and the conservative one is for a slightly conservative investor. Apart from the core portfolios, we also have thematic portfolios. In the thematic portfolios, we invest into themes, right? So in India, one of the most strong and well performing themes is momentum or trend following. So we have a trend following momentum portfolio that does really well, and we have a full dedicated portfolio for this one. Second portfolio that we have is the small cap portfolio, where we invest into smaller stocks, and smaller stocks tend to again be very strong in India, especially during bull markets. So it's a very popular product during the growing phase. And then we have the quality portfolio, where you invest into high quality stocks. So these broadly are the two categories of portfolios, and then the subcategories within these two categories, right? Now I'll talk first about our first category of portfolios, which are our core portfolios, and we call them multi-factor tactical portfolios. So the first portfolio that we started with here is the balanced multi-factor portfolio. This is for a medium risk investor. Then you have the growth, which is for a high risk investor, and conservative, which is for a low risk investor. And the idea here is that we will give you a stable outperformance in all market conditions, and this will be done using a quantitative technique that I'll talk to you about next. But yeah, these portfolios can become the core part of your portfolio. Your main investment in the markets, and these are also multi-asset portfolios. So we will not just invest into stocks, but we'll also allocate to bonds and gold when we see that there is risk in the market, right? So this can become the core of your portfolio, and it is available for three different types of investors. So you could be a balanced investor or a medium risk investor, and you can go for our balanced portfolio. You can be a high risk investor, and you can go for our growth portfolio, or you can be a conservative investor and go for our low risk conservative portfolio. Now, what exactly goes inside these portfolios, right? So, like I said, at Right Research, our philosophy is based on factor investing, right? What we do is that we try to break up any stocks or portfolio's performance into various factors, right? And what are the factors in the market? The most important factors in the market are momentum, quality, growth, value, and etc., right? And the idea for us is that we try to create portfolios for each of these themes, and how, given how the market condition is panning out. So we have a AI driven forecasting model that tells us that, okay, the market is going to be stable, or the market is going to have a lot of risk in the next period. Depending on what that model, that AI driven model says, we allocate to the best factor for the given market condition. And we also use some ETFs, like I said, for bonds and gold, which bring down the risk for this portfolio a lot. So if you look at this portfolio here, you see that when the markets crashed in March, this particular portfolio did not go down that much. This portfolio only had a drawdown of 18% when the market went down 36%. So this is because of the strong risk management. And since then, as momentum type of strategies are doing really well at a low risk, we have allocated to them, and we have achieved very good performance because of those factors. So this portfolio has given 125% return. The balanced one has given 125% returns in the 2 years that it has been live, which is amazing. Now, talking about performance, like I said, the balanced portfolio has given 125% return in 2 years, and similarly, conservative and growth have also given very good performance during this time. And we have outperformed in all scenarios of the market, not just the high risk time, but also in the times when the market has flourished, right? So this is the historical performance of the balanced portfolio, including the time before 2019 when this was not live, and this would give you a CAGR of 25 to 30% in an annualized basis if you invest into this particular portfolio. These portfolios tend to have a lower risk than the overall market, and the minimum amount that you can invest into this portfolio is 1 lakh rupees. For the balanced portfolio, we also have a version where you can invest up to 30,000 rupees. The fee for all of the three portfolios are listed over here. The balanced portfolio comes at a fixed fee where you can pay 350 rupees plus GST for a 1 month subscription, and so on. And the growth and the conservative portfolio, they come at a percentage of AUM fee, which is charged on a monthly basis. So 1.5% is the annual charge, and 1.5 by 12 will be your monthly fee for these portfolios. If you look at the screen now, you'll see that this is the live performance of the balanced portfolio. It has given, since it has been live, it shows that we've given 240% returns where the market has given, when we have given 140% returns when the market has given 60% return. So we have given a good 80% over the market, and this is because of the philosophy that we follow, which is allocating to the best performing factor for the given particular market. Okay. So before I start talking about the thematic portfolios, I'll talk a little bit about the risk of investing in these portfolios. So like you will see in this drawdown chart for March 2020, you will see that when the market crashed 30%, your balance only crashed around 18%, and your conservative portfolio even crashed less than 10% because of the strong risk management, strong asset allocation that these portfolios have during risky times. And this is what you mean by the levels of risk, right? So the conservative portfolio goes down the least when the markets are risky, and the growth will go down the highest, and balance will be in the middle. All of these portfolios, they pick up very strongly, and also when the markets are strong, you see that the growth one will do the best, followed by balanced, and then followed by the conservative portfolio. This is about the risk of these core portfolios, and now let's look at the thematic portfolios. So our thematic portfolios are our most popular portfolios that we offer on Smallcase. We started all three of these portfolio within the last year, and they have really captured a lot of interest on the Smallcase platform. The idea here is that we're trying to give you exposure to one particular theme in the market with each of these portfolios, right? So we call them thematic portfolios. And the theme that we have chosen are not random, right? They are not each and any theme. The themes that we really believe in, the themes that we think will give you the strongest performance are the ones that we offer. And because these are thematic portfolios, they tend to have a slightly higher risk, right? But they give you a much higher return for that high risk that you're taking. So I'll explain each of these portfolios briefly in this presentation. So like I said, these are the thematic portfolios. We look at the most important themes in the market, and last year when the bull market started, we gave you the three strong portfolios for the bull market: the momentum, small caps, and quality portfolio. Talking about momentum, right? I did a video last time about momentum that I linked with this video. But how do you understand momentum? So momentum is not a fundamental reason to invest, right? A momentum is a behavior reason to invest. There are certain things that happen in the stock market that might increase the valuation of a particular company, right? But not everybody reacts immediately. Not everybody invests into that particular change immediately. The change or the appreciation in price takes time, right? And only after a certain number of people get into that stock, and does that stock gain momentum, it reaches its appropriate value. So with the momentum strategy, what we are trying to do is we are trying to capture these trends that start in the market by using some technical techniques. Now, so that is about the momentum portfolio. We are using trend following to get the highest trending stocks and investing into this. Obviously, these portfolios do really well when the markets are strong, which is what we have been seeing in the last 1 year. You will see that this particular portfolio has given 100% return over the last 10 months, which has been amazing. This obviously is a high risk portfolio. Over the last year or so, there hasn't been much of volatility in this particular portfolio, but yeah, this portfolio tends to move with the market with sharp moves. So if the market is moving up, this moves very sharply up, and if the market is going down, this might also have a sharp downward fall. But we do manage the risk for this particular portfolio as well using a deallocation policy. The minimum investment that you can do in this portfolio is around 30,000, and the pricing for this portfolio is in two ways, right? So we have a simple momentum portfolio, which is flat fee, where 1 month charge is 200 rupees plus GST, and the second one is where you pay 1.5% as the fee or as a AUM based fee for this portfolio. Both these portfolios are exactly the same. One of them started a little later, but these are just the same portfolios with two different type of pricing. If you look at the live return of this portfolio, like I said, in the live market, this has given 100% returns in 10 months, and it is 40% over the mid cap index, which itself has been very strong. So this is amazing performance, which is just because of the type of market that we have had. That we have had an amazing bull market that has been going up, and these portfolios tend to do really strong when the markets are strong. And who would be investing in the momentum portfolio? Is this momentum portfolio suitable for you? So momentum portfolio is suitable for somebody who is looking at a rapid appreciation in capital, but they are willing to take risk for that, right? So you expect your money to grow at a rapid pace when the markets are strong, but you should also be wary that when there is a correction in the market, this will also give you corrections, right? This will also give you volatility. So if you're willing to take that risk for the high return, and if you are, if you believe that the markets are going to be strong, you should invest into a momentum portfolio. Second thematic portfolio that we offer is the small cap portfolio. Small cap portfolio is again a high risk, high return portfolio suitable for somebody who is willing to take the risk of betting into smaller stocks because they believe that the markets are going to be strong, right? So if you look at this chart of the market, when the market has been in a bull phase, right? So be it in 2010 when the markets were strong, or 13 to 18 when the markets were really strong, or over the last year when the markets have been really strong. During each of these phases, small caps or smaller stocks tend to outperform the larger stocks in a very, very big way, right? So those are the times when you should be investing into small caps, and we actually launched the small caps portfolio specifically in that time in the market because we expect it to do really well because the markets have been strong. So if you also believe that that small caps are going to do well, and you sort of want to bet on small caps, you want to bet on that high growth, even though there could be risk with these portfolios, small caps is the portfolio that you can invest into. So if you look at the performance of this portfolio, it has performed at par with the small cap index, which itself has done really well. It is, like I said, it's a high volatility portfolio, but you get rewarded for the high risk that you're taking. The minimum investment here is around 30,000 as well, and the pricing is also very similar to momentum portfolio, and we have it into two models of pricing. One is the flat fee model, and one is where you pay as a percentage of whatever investment that you've been doing. This is how the historical performance looks on small case, and this is the live performance, which has been in the past 1 year around 90%, which has been quite good, right? So having talked about the small cap portfolio, the third portfolio that we offer is the quality portfolio. Now a lot of investors, they do not want to do trend investing. They want to invest into high quality companies. They want to invest into companies that have been showing very good fundamental strength, right? So this is the portfolio that we have created for those type of investors. How do you measure a quality of a company? So what we use is we use a quantitative technique to model the profitability that this company has been showing in terms of return on equity, return on capital employed. We look at the growth that this particular company is showing, which could be in terms of growth rate of their revenue, etc. And then we look at the safety of the company, right? Is this a safe company or not? And with these three criteria, we filter out the high quality companies and we invest into those. Now again, when you look at high quality companies, you will typically see that these companies are more from the consumer sector. They're more defensive companies compared to cyclical companies, like cyclical sectors like metals, construction, etc. You'll see more FMCG and more conservative companies in this portfolio, and these companies tend to be very strong performers in any market, right? So they will do well in the growing market as well as when the markets are in trouble. So picking up high quality companies and investing into them is a very good way to allocate your capital. So if you look at the performance of this particular portfolio, you will see that this one has a medium volatility, and it performs better than the Nifty index. It has been live for around 6 months, and it has given 25% return since then. The pricing for this is only as a percentage of your investment amount. And this is a very good long term portfolio. It never hurts to hold good quality companies in your portfolio, and this is an excellent place where you can pick up those high quality companies. So, having talked about the different portfolios that we have, let's look at the performance snapshot of each of these portfolios over the last 2 years since Right Research has been in existence, right? So, if you look at the performance of our portfolio, you will see that we have outperformed the particular benchmark that each of our portfolios were following in all the time horizons. So we have done really well in the 2 year horizon, which where we had the March crash as well as the recovery rally. We have done really well in the last 1 year, which has been a bull market, but even then we have done much better than the indices, and we have been doing really well in the 6 month, 3 month, and 1 month horizon. So, Right Research has been delivering on its promise of good performance at a very well managed risk. Now, talking about the pricing of these portfolios, all our product prices have been listed here. I talked about each of these pricing during the video as well, and you can look at these portfolios and find the pricing for them. Again, to reiterate, which portfolios will be suitable for you. The If you look at the core portfolios, the balanced, growth, and conservative. If you are a high risk investor, you can invest into growth. If you're a balanced investor, you can invest into balanced. And if you're a low risk investor, you should invest into conservative. Coming to our thematic portfolios, our momentum and small caps are only for people who want to take high risk. And again, you should not invest all of your money into a momentum or a small cap portfolio. You should allocate, let's say 20 to 50% of your portfolio into these strategies. And then the quality portfolio is also a good thematic portfolio to add to your basket, and it will give you a portfolio flavor of good quality companies. So that is pretty much what I wanted to cover in this presentation. Our website and an email address. We are also available on the phone. And I hope this video helps you find out the perfect portfolio for you. And if it doesn't, then please feel free to contact us.